Hello, today we are going to see my little market. So first we are going to click here. So first it's time to see a video of the history of accounting in business. So let's start. So let's follow with the next activity. Now it's time to make a warm up. So a warm up it's a memory. So we are going to start here, read the instructions and clip to fill the blocks to reveal the original partner. So we are going to start and then look the picture oh, and select the right option. After the warm-up, we are going to follow with the next step. Now it's time to see the content of the class. First, we are going to see tips of business, then the aspect of accounting, then we are going to see the details of the project and at the end the guideline. But first we are going to follow with the aspects of accounting. So this is a web page that talk about of important aspects of this topic. The first is what's small business accounting. It's to organize or how to we are going to move our money. After that, it's the how we are going to manage the business. Of course, we have to create an structure of some steps or some important aspects. The next it's of course to report the details and since the beginning of the project, the middle and at the end. So this type of reports can help us to follow all the project. And of course, if we would like or we have to make a change. And then how we are going to divide expenses to positive and negative expenses. And in these two options, it's about how we are going to pay our expenses in the future. And this is some tips or how we are going to include the accounting in our project. Then in the next picture, here I have some tips to make a business process. The first step that we have to make a brainstorm of what we would like to use, what we would like, or what type of product we would like to apply in there to the old people. After that, of course, write a business plan because it's important to know the objectives, the process, the instructions, the plan of all of business. Then we have to decide the what kind of business we would like to do. Research the idea, then choose the structure or how we are going to organize the project. Then we are going to make a teams, right? To organize the steps, the as important aspect in the project. And at the end, make a conclusion or apply the project. Now, it's time to know about the budget. So this part is very important because we have to know how to make a budget, how to organize a budget because it's essential for the project. So first, here we have some information that tell us that the budget are necessary for the project. The first, we have to know how much we would like to use or would like to expense in the project. Divide the expense. We are going to create different categories to include the expenses. So this is the two important aspects. How we are going to expense and what is the important aspect. And here we have some examples of how we can do a budget. We can do in Microsoft Office or in Drive. Now, in the control practice, the students have to write the important aspects of this topic. The how to management a company, the important things of budget in a Google Drive. And at the end, here I have the rubric of a project. But in this aspect, I am going to explain the project. So first, the students have to make groups of 5. After that, they are going to use this type of picture here and make and create a business project. The first, they have to make a brainstorm of what kind of products or, for example, food, I don't know, candies, or for example, computers, or any aspect that the students would like to promote to the people. Then they are going to research the idea and define the final product. After that, the students have to structure the plan, how they are going to use the technology and apply this type of product and how to promote it. And then give the important information to each team. After that, they are going to know to apply and promote the product. I think this type of project, it's very important to the students because um acquire because the students can learn new knowledge and of how to create a business, a little business, and how to promote to the society, and of course the important aspects to make a little business. So this is my project, and thank you so much.